So this is lecture 40 according to your lesson plan, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about some another properties. Okay, so that is the continuation of the properties of Z transform. Okay, so in this lecture we will see two more properties, that is initial value theorem and final value theorem, and after that we will solve a numerical problem based on these properties. Okay, so how we are going to use these properties for solving the Z transform numerical problem. Okay, so let's start with the and important properties initial value theorem. So according to this theorem, it states that the initial value f of 0 of time function, that is we are considering that this is fn, can be found from its Z transform by when you are considering mod of Z is going to infinity, or in other form you can write it down, this f of 0, this f of 0 is equal to limit n tends to 0 f of n, or you can write it down, this limit mod Z tends to infinity f of Z. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the value of the initial value of the this any function is given. Okay, now same if I talk about this final value theorem. So in that case, the final value theorem states that for a discrete time signal fn, if f of z are all inside the unit circle, then final value f of infinity of discrete time signal, that is your fn, may be determined by means now you want to calculate f of infinity, and this f of infinity can be calculated when limit n tends to infinity f of n, or when limit mod z tends to 1, यूनिट सर्कल के अंदर सारा होना चाहिए, and that is 1 minus z inverse f of z. So you have to remember both the calculation part, how you are going to calculate this initial value and the final value. ओके अगर ये याद रहेगा तो आप इसके बेसिस पे आप न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हो. बट सम टाइम आप अगर प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर्स देखेंगे तो आप वहाँ पे देखेंगे कि कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया डायरेक्टली बट आर दी दिस इनिशियल वैल्यू थ्योरम एंड फाइनल वैल्यू थ्योरम फॉर जेड ट्रांसफॉर्म, और इनिशियल वैल्यू एंड फाइनल वैल्यू थ्योरम फॉर लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म, दोनों के लिए पूछा गया. Okay, so you have to also remember this theoretical part, how you are going to calculate. Now, based on these two problems, let's discuss numerical part. So in question it is given the Z transform of a given signal is, the value is given is fz equal to 2 plus s z inverse plus z to the power minus 2. Okay, so rather than s, just write it down, no need to s. हम numerical value लेके चलते हैं. Let's see 5z inverse plus z to the power minus 2. Okay, determine the initial and final value of corresponding Fn. Okay, Fn is your discrete time signal. Now let's discuss about the solution. What is the solution? So according to this initial value, if you want to calculate the initial value, so initial value के लिए definition क्या होती थी? You want to calculate f of 0, and this f of 0 is nothing else the limit n tends to 0 f of n, or limit mod z tends to infinity f of z. So in this question you can see f of z is given, so we can use this one. So f of 0 क्या हो जाएगा? Limit z tends to infinity 2 plus 5 upon z plus 1 upon z square. Okay, so inverse portion को हमने क्या किया? डायरेक्टली लिख लिया. ओके, एफ ऑफ जेड की वैल्यू क्या थी? 2 plus 5z इनवर्स प्लस z टू द पावर माइनस 2. सो z इनवर्स को हमने क्या लिख लिया? 1 by z. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर you can easily see that the value of f of 0 equal to 2, because this will be 0 when you put z tends to infinity, this will be 0. So the value is only f of 0 equal to 2. So initial value you will get in that way. Now you want to calculate the f of infinity, okay, for final value. So फाइनल वैल्यू के लिए क्या होता है? एफ ऑफ इंफिनिटी इक्वल टू लिमिट एन टेंस टू इंफिनिटी एफ ऑफ एन, और क्या लिख सकते थे हम? लिमिट मॉड जेड टेंस टू 1 1 माइनस जेड इनवर्स एफ ऑफ जेड. So again in question f of z is given, so we can use this portion, this part. So from here you can see this f of infinity equal to limit mod z tends to 1, 1 minus z inverse and f of z क्या है? f of z is given 2 plus 5 z inverse plus z to the power minus 2. So now you can solve this, okay, because both the function is related with the z, so you can multiply and solve this. So limit mod z tends to infinity, अभी यही लिखा. When you multiply both the term, okay, you will get the 2 plus 3 z inverse minus 4 z to the power minus 2 minus z to the power minus 3. Okay, after multiplying these two terms, you will get this final value. Now from here you can directly put the value of z tends to क्या है 1. So f of infinity equal to क्या हो जाएगा 2 plus 3 minus 4 minus 1. So from here you will get the 0. Okay, 5 minus 5. So the value of f of infinity is 0. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the initial value and the final value. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Now let's discuss another numerical problem. Okay, find the Z transform of sequence f to n equal to 2, 3, 4, 10, 2 from Z transform of sequence f1n equal to 2, 3, 4, 10, 2 सो हमें f2n का z ट्रांसफॉर्म फाइंड आउट करना है, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द z ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ f1n. Okay, so your answer will be, just writing the directly, f2z equal to 2 plus 3z inverse plus 4z to the power minus 2 plus 10z to the power minus 3 plus 2z to the power minus 4. Okay, so that will be the answer. Try to solve and compare the result. Okay, final result, whether it is coming this one or not.